Is a ketogenic diet anti-inflammatory? The ketogenic diet can help manage and reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation in the absence of infection is associated with multiple disease states. By cutting out processed sugars and high GI carbohydrates, you are reducing foods known to cause inflammation. If fighting inflammation or preventing disease is one of your main goals, here is a list of the best anti-inflammatory keto diet foods. Healthy fats such as egg yolks, coconut oil, olive oil, MCT oil, avocado oil, nuts and seeds, fatty fish, avocado, grass-fed butter or ghee, coconut butter, and cocoa butter. Omega-3 fats such as grass-fed, pasteurized fatty meats, non-starchy vegetables, especially dark leafy greens, green vegetable juices or green vegetable powders. So specifically, avoid processed foods, high glycemic foods such as refined sugars, grains, fruits and starchy vegetables. Avoid any refined vegetable oils and avoid alcohol.